You are sitting at your home and suddenly your leg starts buzzing. You do not know about it, but it is constantly happening with you. But in today's life, it is happening with lot of people, and in 99% of cases, the person does not know that his leg is buzzing. Does the same thing happens with you? Automatically buzzing the leg while sitting. People consider it normal or common. But you will be surprised to know that buzzing the legs while sitting also produce thoughts of suicide in your mind. Nowadays, this problem is seen more in the school students and also in the college students. In science language, the buzzing of the leg while sitting or sleeping is called restless leg syndrome. But now the question comes that why does this happen after all? So let's know in this video. There are many habits in our body over which we have no control. These habits happen suddenly and automatically by us. Some of these habits are for our protection. For example, if we touch an electric wire, our hand suddenly turns backwards. And if something suddenly comes in front of us, then we move backward in fear. But there are many habits in our body that are formed through practice or repeated action, and some habits we inherit. And all these habits are stored in our subconscious mind. Do you know why our body creates habits? Because through habits, a pattern of working of a particular task in our body is created, and through that pattern, our body can easily do any work for which our body has to spend less energy. For example, driving, writing, and even wearing a jeans gets stored in our subconscious mind as a habitual pattern. But moving the legs is not a habit, but by doing it continuously, it becomes a habit which can cause you great harm. It is a type of disease. Scientists have named it restless leg syndrome. Restless leg syndrome is a condition that causes uncomfortable sensations. Restless leg syndrome is most commonly found in people who suffer from stress, anxiety, and depression. Many times you must have noticed that while working or doing some task, whenever your legs buzzes, you don't have attention or concentration in your work. You find that your mind is not in your work at that time and you want to go from there. Overall, this symptom indicates your instability. But why does restless leg syndrome occur? Whenever we work constantly, at that time our energy is spent continuously. But whenever we sit constantly and doing nothing, at that time our energy accumulates constantly. We all know that we can neither generate energy nor destroy it, but energy constantly changes from one form to another. Whenever we eat food and take a breath and enjoy the sun, the energy comes into our body. And whenever we do any type of physical activity, at that time energy goes out from our body. But you must have seen that most people move their feet while sitting, not during walking. When we sit at a one place for a long period of time, the energy starts accumulating within us, and that energy tries to come out of our body in some forms. It is the easiest for a human to walk, and legs are the most working part of human body. For this reason, energy tries to get out of his feet easily, and because of this, people sit and move their feet so that the accumulated energy can come out easily. But buzzing the legs reduces your attention, your focus, and your concentration. It is a type of a disease that causes many types of problems. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.